This video documents our PBL project done in Ms. Bulut's pre-AP chemistry class. This PBL project is on the empirical formula of magnesium oxide. This was done by Adrian, Corey, Cecilia, and Chris. Our driving question was, what is the empirical formula of magnesium oxide? When the magnesium is burned, magnesium combines with the oxygen from the air to form magnesium oxide. This may be stated as 2Mg plus O2 produces 2Mg O15G plus A10, which produces 25G. Another driving question was, how can we use what we know to find the formula of magnesium oxide? We plan to answer this question with the plan of our experiment, which is that we can find the mass of oxygen by subtraction and calculate the mole ratio from the mass ratio from a mass magnesium piece that will be heated in order to form magnesium oxide. The purpose of this experiment was to observe the creation of magnesium oxide. We applied all general lab rules into this experiment like we should. We also wore our safety equipment that was assigned to us, and we did not look directly at the burning magnesium. The materials that we used was a balance, spring stand, tongs, crucible with lid, clay triangle, burner, ring support, 0.1 grams of magnesium ribbon in the calculator. For our procedures, we first weighed the magnesium piece and we prepared our setup by attaching the ring stand to the ring support. We then placed the clay triangle to the ring support and we placed the magnesium piece we initially masked to the crucible, which was laid on top of the clay triangle. We then stood back and waited for a chemical reaction to occur. Surely enough, a chemical reaction did occur, and we used our tongs to take the crucible out of the ring support and we placed it down on a small tray to cool. Once it was cooled, we weighed the mass of the magnesium piece once again to obtain our calculations. This was the data obtained from our experiment. These were the calculations obtained for our experiment. We had a percentage error of 56%. In conclusion, we saw that the magnesium glows very bright when heated. We learned that magnesium is burned with oxygen and that it creates magnesium oxide. What we could have done better is calculate the measurements better. For our application, we chose that you could use it to control magnesium levels in blood. Thank you for watching.